Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by opening your developer dashboard and selecting the Gamepass you intend to edit. You need to verify the current price, SKU ID, and the currency or regional pricing. This prevents accidental mismatches. Once that's confirmed, make a quick backup of metadata and note any active sales windows or scheduled rollouts, because pricing changes can be blocked during promotions. Now proceed to the Price Edit panel. You'll make the first change there and save as a draft to validate input. You now enter the new price in the price field and observe platform rounding rules. Use 0. 5 units where required. If you support multiple regions, decide to adjust each regional price manually or apply the automatic conversion tool. Manual changes let you keep marketing prices consistent. Make sure to validate tax options and age or content restrictions, because those affect final checkout totals. Once validated, run the preview to see how the price displays across regions and fix any mismatches before publishing. When you're ready, save the change as a draft, then either schedule the rollout or publish immediately. Scheduling helps align with promotions. After publishing, monitor sales analytics and player feedback to confirm there are no unexpected drops or complaints. Pricing perception matters. If the price does not update, first clear your cache and re-authenticate, then check for known propagation delays or platform status issues. If problems persist, contact platform support with the SKU ID and timestamps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.